there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
In the dense jungle where the sun barely reached the forest floor, Tarzan swung gracefully from vine to vine, his keen senses alert to the life that pulsed around him. Yet today, he felt a disturbance, like the jungle itself was whispering to him. Something was different, urging him to investigate. His feet touched the ground, silent as a shadow, near the cliff where the jungle met the vast expanse of savanna. There, he spotted an unusual figure, an enormous lion with a golden mane, moving with striking fluidity. Unlike any lion Tarzan had ever seen, this beast exuded a calm precision with every step. Curiosity piqued, Tarzan approached with caution, knowing that despite his upbringing in the wild, lions were formidable creatures deserving great respect. But this lion did not react with aggression. Instead, it locked eyes with Tarzan, radiating a strange familiarity, as if understanding him with a wisdom beyond the ordinary. "I am Kung Fu Lion," the beast said, surprising Tarzan with clear, resonant words. "I've come to find harmony between the jungle and the savanna. There have been conflicts scratching at the balance, causing unrest among the animals." Tarzan listened, intrigued by the lion's enlightened manner. "What causes this imbalance?" he asked, sensing the deep concern in Kung Fu Lion's voice. "A rogue band of hunters," Kung Fu Lion replied, his gaze shifting towards the horizon, where distant smoke spiraled upwards, a sign of their cruel activities. "They disrupt the land, polluting the waters and scaring the animals into chaos." A sense of urgency gripped Tarzan, knowing time was of the essence. He agreed to help, understanding that protecting their shared home required unity against the threat. Tarzan and Kung Fu Lion spent the following days gathering allies, the clever monkeys with their agility, the powerful elephants wielding their might. The morning of the confrontation dawned bright. Tarzan, alongside Kung Fu Lion and their assembled forces, approached the hunters' camp stealthily, devising a plan that would surprise and deter, rather than harm. As they ambushed the camp, Tarzan's agile maneuvers distracted the hunters while Kung Fu Lion showcased an incredible martial prowess. His swift movements sent tools flying harmlessly away. The coordinated effort worked brilliantly. Panic spread among the hunters, who fled confused and disoriented, realizing their destructive practices had met formidable opposition. Tarzan and Kung Fu Lion observed their retreat, satisfied that peace was returning to their land. With victory achieved, Kung Fu Lion turned to Tarzan, gratitude glowing in his eyes. "Balance is restored, for now," he said, hinting at the continual vigilance required. But this alliance, forged in the heart of the jungle, ensured they were ready to face whatever lay ahead. As day turned to night, the jungle thrived under the moonlit sky, content in its harmony. And as Tarzan swung back through the trees, he knew the jungle held new stories, new friends, and new challenges to overcome, guided by the spirit of the Kung Fu Lion.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of